Good morning, dear students. I will take revision from activity from chapter 15, activity 15.1. Activity 15.11. To show 7 colors combined to form white light. Materials required. What are the materials required for the activity? Circular disc cut from a stiff cardboard and painted with 7 colors of white light and a strong thread and a sharp nail. What is the method? Take the disc on which are painted 7 colors of white light and in 7 sectors in the order of violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, and make 2 holes in the disc with a sharp nail as shown in the figure 15.18a, and pass a long thread from the one hole and then pass the other hole such that about 30 cm of thread is on the either side of the hole. Tie a small knot at the ends of thread and place one end of the thread in the middle finger of the left hand and the other end in the middle finger of the right hand, and loosen the hands and whirl the disc in clockwise direction so that the thread on either side is twinned. Now stretch the hands and the thread will unwind and rotate the disc rapidly in the anti-clockwise direction. So you will notice that 7 colors painted on the disc disappear and it appears white. The activity clearly proves that white is composed of 7 colors. You can see in the diagram 7 colors of the rainbow. When you have to do like this, spinning disc looks white and 7 colors of light mix to form white light. When it will mix, then it will form the white light. Next activity is to show that a prism splits white light into 7 colors. Materials required: equilateral glass prism, white sheet of paper, powerful source of light or sunlight coming from a small hole in a dark room. Method: place the glass prism in such a way that its triangular surface touches the table in the dark room and allow the sunlight to enter the dark room through a small hole such that it falls on one rectangular faces of prism. Alternately encloses the powerful sources of light in a wooden box having a small hole and allow the light from this hole to fall on the rectangular face of prism, and place a white screen on the other side of the prism. Then you will observe a band of 7 colors formed on white paper such that red color is on the top and violet at the bottom, and the order of colors starting from violet to red is Vigor, where V stands for violet, I for indigo, B for blue and G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, R for red. And the band of colors is called a spectrum, and the phenomena is responsible for it's called a dispersion. And this you can see the colors of spectrum in soap bubbles, water covered within the layer of oil, and the compact disc is in sunlight. So this is the activity 15.11 and 15.12. You will take revision, and now we will discuss about what is the difference between convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens, it is thicker in the middle and tapering at the edges, and it is thicker at the edges and tapering in the middle, and when held close to the object it forms a virtual, erect and magnified image, and when held close to the object it forms a virtual, erect and diminished image, and when held away from the object it forms a real and inverted image, and the image may magnified or diminished depending upon the distance of the object from the lens, and when it held away from the object it forms a virtual, erect and diminished image for all position of the object. So this is the difference between convex lens and concave lens. You will take revision of this, and now revision is going on. Only chapter 15 is remaining, and I will give you, and then you have to write in your copy.